Clients pay me to bring their vision to life with my creativity and technical skills. Each project is totally different, and the fun of it all for me is collaborating with people to bring to life the client's vision. I look at each client project as belonging in two buckets: scripted or non-scripted. Scripted meaning there's a concept that needs to be created with a script or a storyboard. Non-scripted meaning the content we're assembling will be gathered on the day of the shoot, with only a loose framework in mind for both the client, myself, and my crew. It'll be the production team's responsibility to respond to what's happening on the day of the shoot with the awareness of the messaging and the branding elements that need to be captured on camera. This could be like a live event or an interview testimonial where we don't know what the people on camera will say exactly. We have an idea, but we will be molding that messaging on the day of the shoot and refining it in the edit. Scripted, storyboarded, or planned out productions is really about executing a vision plan to the T. I'm a musician and I liken these kind of projects to playing a pop song. All the parts need to work in harmony. Set design, hair and makeup, cinematography, direction, etc. Non-scripted projects like events and testimonial interviews are similar to improvisation. I used to play in jazz bands when I was younger and I liken it to that. You have to react then and there to what you see on camera or what a person says. You have the roadmap of these ideas that you need to have for the edit in your mind, and everything you do for that shoot is going in that direction. Each project is a brand new adventure, and it's like a puzzle to solve, and that's just what keeps this job endlessly fascinating for me. Anywho, if you have any questions about videography or video production, drop a comment. Or if you have a project you'd like to discuss, let's chat, let's connect. My calendar fills up pretty quickly, so click the link for a quick chat, and thanks for watching. Bye!